Hi, everyone. I'm Zibby Owens, and I helped found the Susan Felice Owens program for COVID-19 vaccine research at Mount Sinai Health System. And the reason I did this is to spare other families from going through some of the pain that I saw firsthand when my husband's family, his mother and grandmother, passed away from COVID this summer. It's not just about them, it's about so many other people. However, having seen what happens up close and personal, I couldn't sleep at night knowing that I didn't do everything I could to help other people from avoiding what happened. So, for the good of everybody, and to give back, and to honor Susan Owens, who was an amazing, inspiring, giving woman herself, I didn't want her to be forgotten because of this horrific virus. She deserves to be known by everybody and remembered.
So my name is Peter Palesi, and I'm chairman of the Department of Microbiology at the I-10 School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. And we means Adolfo Garcia, Florian Kramer, and myself, we have been spearheading the attack against COVID-19. And we have a long history of working with influenza viruses, which are also respiratory viruses and RNA viruses. And we have worked for many years together, but we are independent groups. And we have sort of joined forces to, and this is now 10, 12 months old, to find ways of fighting this tremendous threat we have. And you know the numbers, it's terrible. I mean, I've seen now we have over 1 million deaths worldwide. So this is really a terrible situation.
My name is Adolfo Garcia, and I'm here in Sinai now for 30 years. I started actually as a postdoc with Peter, and we have been always very interested in trying to develop new technologies to improve vaccines for respiratory viruses, starting with influenza, and now also trying to make an impact with COVID-19. So, I mean, some of the things that we have been doing, we have developed what is called reverse genetics for influenza. And we are trying to use now these also reverse genetics strategies to develop a universal flu vaccine that will cover all influenza viruses that they are possible, that will make annual vaccination with flu meaningless, because you just need a few shots and that's it, and that will prevent pandemics for flu, because it will be cover also all the pandemic strains of influenza. But now we are talking about COVID, and we really want to make also an impact there. So we have taken advantage of a platform strategy that we are developing for emerging viruses, which is based on a platform that is very easy to manufacture, that is highly immunogenic, that can be produced at very high doses, at very low cost, and that is giving us tremendous results in now animal models, and we try to move them forward to humans, and we have a lot of help on that. And I want to, again, like Peter, I want to thank all the help that we have received from philanthropy. But we really think that we have something that is very unique, and that it can be deployed quickly than what is being deployed right now, and that also will address the problems that there are with variants and in the long run. So hopefully we can move this forward, because I'm very excited about this technology.
So we have, with this COVID-19 vaccine approach, we believe we have a very low cost approach. Namely, we can produce it, manufacture it very cheaply, because it's done similar to influenza virus vaccines. And so one can take advantage of these production facilities all over the world, particularly for low income and middle income countries. And then we also we can give it into the nose. Change, as Adolfo said, very fast to these new variants, which are popping up constantly. And we hope that this will be a way of really making it available to many, many people. And we are doing a phase 1 trial here at Mount Sinai. It's wonderful. We have fantastic stability data. It is for weeks stable at refrigerator temperatures, 2 to 4 degrees centigrade, but also we have gotten within the last 2 days at 37 degrees, which is very, very high. It is stable for many, many days. So that is really very, very good news, and we are very excited about that.
Guys, thank you so much for all your donations and the idea of maybe donating. This is not only important to me, obviously, because of my mom or my grandmother. It's important to me for everything that we're all going through in the entire world. And I really appreciate it. So thank you, and much love to everyone out there.
Hi, I just want to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart. This means so much to me. Thank you.